Hello students, today we are discussing coordinate geometry previous year question. Hi. Hello students, today we are discussing coordinate geometry previous year questions. The question number 1 is find the ratio in which y-axis divides the line segment joining the points a 5, minus 6 and b minus 1, minus 4. Find the coordinates of point of division. So just draw the diagram initially. So the given points are a 5, minus 6 and b minus 1, minus 4. So we need to find the point of division. So initially you should apply the section formula. So p of x, y, which is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here the given statement is y-axis, so just consider x value will be 0. So you can assume it p of 0, y. So we know it x1, y1, x2, y2. So here x1 is x1 equal to 5, x2 equal to minus 1 and y1 equal to minus 6, y2 equal to minus 4. Okay, these are the given points. Just apply in the formula. M and n value will be always, you can assume it like AP is k and PB is 1. Okay, so M equal to k and n equal to 1. So M value k, so k into minus 1 plus n value is 1, 1 into 5 by k plus 1, then k into y2 value is minus 4 plus 1 into y1 value is minus 6 divided by k plus 1. Okay. Now you have to multiply and simplify the terms. So minus k plus 5 by k plus 1 and minus 4k minus 6 by k plus 1. Now comparing the corresponding coordinates in both the sides, so which means 0 equal to minus k plus 5 by k plus 1 and y is equal to minus 4k minus 6 by k plus 1. In the first term, if you simplify it, just cross multiply this k plus 1 here. So you got minus k plus 5 which is equal to 0. So k equal to 5. So replace the value k in y coordinate. So y equal to minus 4 into 5 minus 6 by 5 plus 1. So y equal to minus 26 by 6 which is equal to minus 13 by 3. So the points are p will be 0, minus 13 by 3. This is the answer. Okay. Now the second question. The x coordinate of a point P is twice as its y coordinate. If P is equidistant from Q of 2, minus 5 and R of minus 3, 6, find the coordinates of P. So here you can concentrate on this statement. The point P is twice its y coordinate. So just imagine that the given statement is P of 2y, y. Now again draw a diagram. The points are Q and R. Q is 2 comma minus 5 and R is minus 3 comma 6. P will be 2y comma y. Okay. So another given statement is equidistant, which means distance of QP, which is equal to distance of PR. So again we know the distance formula. Distance formula is d equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. From the point P, in the point PQ, it is x1 y1 x2 y2. So you can apply PQ formula, distance formula, to find the distance of PQ. That is square root of 2y minus 2 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square, which is equal to square root of distance of PR. Again you can assuming it like R will be x1 y1. Okay. So minus 3 minus 2y whole square plus 6 minus y whole square. Now for removing the roots, just squaring on both sides. And expanding the terms. So 2y minus 2 whole square means it is a minus b whole square. So 4y square plus 4 minus 2 into 2y into 2, that is 8y. Again y plus 5 whole square means you have to apply a plus b whole square. So y square plus 25 plus 10y, which is equal to, in the right side both the terms are negative, so using take the negative sign is common and using a plus b whole square formula, because this term will be written it like 3 plus 2y whole square. Okay, so 9 plus 4y square plus 2 into 3 into 2y, that is 12y plus 36 plus y square minus 12y. Now cancelling the corresponding terms, 4y square cancel, and y square is also cancelled. Now we have the remaining terms are minus 8y plus 10y in the left side, which means 2y plus 29, which is equal to 12y cancelled. So 36 plus 9, it's 45. So if you side change 2y, which is equal to 45 minus 29, which means 2y equal to 16, so y equal to 8. So the coordinates are P is equal to 16 comma 8. Now move to the next question, third one. Let P and Q be the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A 2 comma minus 2 and B minus 7 comma 4 such that P is nearer to A. Here concentrate the word trisection and find the coordinates of P and Q. So the n points are A and B. This line segment is divided into three parts, three equal parts, P and Q. Okay. So it is in trisection, so the ratio will be 1:1:1. Okay. So first you have to find the point P. So if you want to find a point P, means you can assume it like this ratio will be 2 and this ratio is 1. The ratio m is to n value is 1:2. M is to n equal to 1:2 for point P. Okay. So coordinates of P is P of x comma y, which is equal to, again using the formula, mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So here x1 y1 is the points A. Point will be 2 comma minus 2, and x2 y2 is point B, that is minus 7 comma 4, and m value is 1, n value equal to 2. Okay. Now P of x comma y is mx2, so 1 into minus 7 plus ny1, 2 into 2 by m plus n. M plus n is 1 plus 2, and my2, m is 1 into 4 plus n, 2 into minus 2 by 1 plus 2. So the values are 1 into minus 7 is minus 7 plus 4 by 3, and 4 minus 4 by 3. So the final simplified values are minus 3 by 3 and 0 by 3. So the point P will be minus 1 comma 0. Again we need to find a point Q, Q of x comma y. Apply the same procedure, but m and n values are changed. Here for a point Q, m is to n ratio is 2:1. Because now the point will be A, Q, B. So A term we have 3 points, so 1 1. So AP value will be, AQ value, ratio value is 2 and QB is 1. So M and N are 2:1. So now Q of x comma y is mx2 plus nx1. Apply the same formula. So m is 2 into x2 is minus 7 plus nx1, n is 1 into x1 is 2 by 1 plus 2. Similarly my2, m is 2 into 4 plus 1 into minus 2 by 1 plus 2. So the values are minus 14 plus 2, that is minus 12 by 3, and 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 2 is 6, 6 by 3. So if you simplify, you get minus 4 comma 2. This is Q point. Question number 4. Prove that the points 3 comma 0, 6 comma 4 and minus 1 comma 3 are the vertices of a right angle isosceles triangle. So just consider the points are A equal to 3 comma 0, B is 6 comma 4 and C equal to minus 1 comma 3. So you have to find the distance between AB, BC and AC. So distance of AB, which is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So which means here the distance of AB is x2 6 minus 3 whole square plus y2 is 4 minus 0 whole square, so which is equal to 3 square, that is 9, plus 4 square is 16, so 25. Root of 25 is 5. So distance of AB is 5. Now distance of BC, which is equal to again root of the same formula, so minus 1 minus 6 whole square plus 3 minus 4 whole square, so which is equal to root of minus 7 square, that is 49, plus minus 1 square, that is 1, which is equal to root of 50. Now distance of AC, which is equal to root of x2 minus x1, so 3 minus of minus 1 plus 1 whole power whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square, so which is equal to root of 16 plus 9, so again 25, root of 25 is 5. So distance of AC is 5. Okay, so for a right angle isosceles triangle means here distance of AB, which is equal to distance of BC, sorry, distance of AC, and AB square plus AC square, which is equal to BC square, that is AB is 5 square, 25 plus 25 root 50 is 50. So equation satisfies. So which means the triangle right angle that A, so A, B and C. So here 5 units, here it's also 5 units. This is 2 root 5. Okay, that's the answer. Now question number 5. Find the ratio in which the point minus 3 comma k divides a line segment joining the points minus 5 comma minus 4 and minus 2 comma 3. Also find the value of k. So here you have to use the ratio form, and particularly we need the y coordinates, k value. So take it as the points A as minus 5 comma minus 4 and B is minus 2 comma 3, and generally you are taking the ratio will be, here already notation k is used, so I just take it as a p is to 1. Okay, so here consider the point C. C will be minus 3 comma k. Fine. So ratio formula is, we know it, C of minus 3 comma k equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay, we know that value of x1 y1, x2 y2 and m and n. Okay, so just compare the coefficients, corresponding coordinates of x and y. So minus 3 equal to, I am just applying the value of m and n. M value is p, x2 is minus 2 plus n is 1, x1 is minus 5 divided by m plus n, that is p plus 1. So just cross multiply p plus 1. So minus 3p minus 3, which is equal to minus 2p minus 5. So minus 3p plus 2p, which is equal to minus 5 plus 3. So minus p equal to minus 2, p equal to 2. So the ratio is 2:1. Sorry, yeah, ratio is 2:1. Yes. And also we need to find the value of k. K equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So m is 2, y2 is 3 plus n is 1, y1 is minus 4 by m plus n is 2 plus 1 3. So 6 minus 4 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. So k is 2 by 3. Okay. The next problem, question number 6. Prove that the points, 3 points are given. You have to verify it. These are the vertices of a right angle triangle. Also you need to find area of this triangle. If it's a right angle triangle, means we are using the formula area equal to half into base into height of BH. So first we need to find the distance formula. We need to find the distance of the corresponding vertex. So a equal to 2 comma minus 2, b is minus 2 comma 1, and c equal to 5 comma 2. So distance of AB, which is equal to square root of, using the same formula, x2 minus x1 whole square. So minus 2 whole square plus 1 plus 2 whole square, which is equal to root of 16 plus 9, it will be 5. Distance of BC, which is equal to square root of, I'm just directly writing the value, 5 plus 2 whole square, that is 7 square 49, plus 2 minus 1 whole square is 1, that is root 50. And distance of AC, square root of 5 minus 2 is 3 square plus 2 plus 2 4 square, which is equal to root of 25, that is 5. Okay. So distance of AB equal to distance of AC. So the right angle at A, so A 5 units here, AB, and AC is also 5 units. BC is 2 root 5, that is 50 is nothing but 25 into 2, root of 25 is 5, 5 root 2 units. Okay. Now what is the area? Area of triangle ABC is half into base into height, half into base value 5, and height value is also 5. So that 25 by 2 square units. Okay, this is the answer. Then the next problem, question number 7. If the point P of x comma y is equidistant from the points A, small a plus b, comma b minus a, and capital B is a minus b, comma a plus b, prove that bx equal to ay. So here you have to use the distance formula. So given that equidistant, so PA equal to PB, so take it as square root of PA is a plus b minus x whole square plus b minus a minus y whole square, which is equal to square root of PB. So a minus b minus x whole square plus a plus b minus y whole square. So removing the root, squaring on both sides. So a plus b minus x whole square plus b minus a minus y whole square, which is equal to a minus b minus x whole square plus of a plus b minus y whole square. Okay. Now just using that a plus b whole square form, for this you have to consider a is a plus b and b is k. So I'm just using a minus b whole square. So a square plus x square, that is b equal to x square, minus 2 times of a plus b into x, plus here b minus a whole square plus y square minus 2 into b minus a into y, so which is equal to a minus b whole square plus x square minus 2 into a minus b into x plus a plus b whole square plus y square minus 2 times of a plus b into y. So just cancelling the similar terms. So a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, b minus a and a minus are same in square form, and then x square are cancelled, y square is cancelled. So the remaining term will be minus 2a x, minus 2bx minus 2by plus 2ay, which is equal to minus 2ax plus 2bx minus 2ay minus 2by. So now again cancelling the similar terms, 2x cancel, and 2by is also cancelled. Now side change the term, so 4ay, that is plus 2ay will be changing to here, so minus 4ay, and plus 2bx just change here, minus 4bx. So just cancel minus 4 on both the sides, so bx equal to ay. This is what we need. Okay, that's it. Now question number 8. If the point C minus 1 comma 2 divides internally the line segment joining the points a of 2 comma 5 and b of x comma y in the ratio 3:4, find the value of x square plus y square. So x1 comma y1 is, which is equal to 2 comma 5, x2 y2 is x comma y, and internal point will be C is minus 1 comma 2, m is to n is 3:4. Okay, so first we need to find the value of x and y. So just draw the diagram. A, b is x comma y, a is 2 comma 5, c is minus 1 comma 2. So equating with the coordinates, so minus 1 comma 2, which is equal to mx2, m is 3, x2 is x plus nx1, 4 into x1 is 2 by m plus n, 7, and my2, m is 3, y2 is y plus ny1, so n is 4, y1 is 5 divided by 7. So equating the corresponding coordinates, so minus 1 equal to 3x plus 8 by 7, then cross multiply this, minus 7, which is equal to 3x plus 8, so minus 7 minus 8 equal to 3x, which means x equal to minus 5. Also equating the y coordinates here, so 2 equal to 3y plus 20 by 7, so just side chain here, 7 2s are 14, which is equal to 3y plus 20, so 14 minus 20, which is equal to 3y, then y equal to minus 6 by 3, it is y equal to minus 2. So we need a value of x square plus y square, which is equal to minus 5 whole square plus of minus 2 whole square, that is 25 plus 4, which is equal to 29.